aking kabataan. Thanks for teaching me to ride my first bicycle, got me through every wobble. Grateful you helped me shoot my first basketball, getting me on my first shot of motorcycle. You showed me the right way, every twist of the throttle, learning how to drive a car, every shifting gears, every push, every pull felt unforgettable. Taught me to play string sticks, first chord, first drum, keep the rhythm fun and memorable. First song with you in front of people, you made me feel confident and capable. You taught me how to sing, you helped me on the mic, you showed me how to hit notes, you made me shine and experience my first applause. I got my Tata smile, I got my Tata smile, I got my Tata smile, I got my Tata smile. Patawad kung meron mang mali akong nagawa, gusto ko din maging kamanggagawa ni Kristo tulad sa iyong mga gawa. Ikaw ang naging huwaran ng aking pananampalataya, tinuruan mo ako sa Panginoong Hesus lang magtiwala. Sa anumang problema, kailangan at karamdaman, siya lamang ang aking malalapitan. Sa mga panahong muntik ka na sa amin ay mahawala, ang kalaban ay ninakaw sa iyong mga turo at salita. At kung ika'y kinuha, di namin alam kung ano aming magagawa. Sa oras na ang haligi ay naging marupok at nanghihina, salamat sa Diyos may ilaw na lumiliwanag para aming makita ang mga sira at nang maagapan at nang ito'y maayos ng dahan-dahan at hanggang sa paunti-unti nanunumbalik ang iyong mga ngiti at kanilang napansin at napasabi sa'kin, you got your father's smile. I got my Tata smile, 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 I got my Tata smile.